Okay, well, it is about 11:30 p.m. on Thursday, 2022 of 2020, or excuse me, Thursday, 22, 8:20. But good morning. Ain't had coffee yet. I probably should. Anyway, August 2022 or 22 of 2024. Yeah, that's a mess. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a good day today. Yeah, trying to get things taken care of. Just woke up, work night, so this is really AM for me. And, well, tried to cook something, but didn't do any coffee. Did water, juice, Kool-Aid, whatever you want to call the stuff instead. I probably should have went with coffee. I woke up a little better because I didn't have an appetite either. Anyway, hope everybody's doing good today. This should be the beginning of y'all's weekend. It's the end of mine. Almost. So, yeah. For me, this is actually like Sunday morning, heading toward noon. Yeah. Knock back the brush. Topside too. That's a good thing. I really need to try to, keep it shaved back. I don't like getting my hair too long. Too much insulation. I'm already hot most of the time anyway. It is what it is. Anyway, this is going to just be a quick, short one because I haven't got around to doing one for the day, and I'm trying to make this kind of a place marker. I'll do one for Friday, probably later this morning or before I go to bed. Around noon. Try to get some more things packed up and ready. Speaking of packs, I forgot I got another one in the other closet. Soft, not a hard frame, soft frame. It's actually bigger than that one. Actually, I got a couple of them in there. I've gone hiking a few times and camping out of those things. I enjoy camping, or at least I used to. And I got too old for sleeping on the ground. Even with an air mattress, it's still... Yeah. You know how hard it is to actually find flat ground when you're hiking through the world, woods and such. Especially up in the mountains. Yeah. I went to Yellowstone and hiked around up there, and one of the guys says, yeah, it's pretty flat. It only gains 800 feet in 15 miles. What he doesn't tell you is that, yeah, you're only gaining 800 feet from where you start, but you lose 1,000, you gain 1,200, you lose 600, you gain 16, you lose 1,000, you lose, and then you go back up, and the top's, barely 100 feet above, and by the time you get all that done and added in and everything, you get over to your next place, and yeah, you've only gained 800 feet. Oh, you're 800 feet up. They don't know what flatland is. I'm from the plains, high plains here in Texas, and, we can actually look out and, Be standing up on top of something and look out and see 10 miles, 15 miles, the horizon. Some folks around here don't understand, up there, just don't understand what real flat is. So, you go a mile and you gain a foot, or you might lose a foot. Depends on, are you running up on top of a playa that's just a shallow spot in the ground? It holds water when it rains till it dries out. Yeah, little playa lakes, we got them all around here. And, they might be a half mile across. They might be at most 2 foot deep, 6 inches in some cases. Yeah, that's how we get flooded. It just can't run off. It's so flat. It builds up and stands up. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to call this. I hope everybody's had a wonderful day, and I hope the beginning of your weekend is a good one. I'm coming to the end of mine. Anyway, I'm William from Williams Philippines. I hope everybody has a good weekend, a good meal, a couple of good meals, and a blessed day. Anyway, fish. And fish is out.